If you're considering cruising with a toddler, let me share with you my secrets for making your vacation amazing.
Hi, I'm Kristen, the bargain chasing tourist, and I've been cruising for over 20 years. I also worked on board the Disney cruise ships for 5 years, so if you have questions about cruising with kids, I've got you covered. First and foremost, you need to book a toddler friendly cruise line and ensure that your particular ship has the amenities that will make your vacation the best it can be. This is really important if your child wears diapers. Little ones in diapers are not allowed in swimming pools and hot tubs. So when I cruised with toddlers, I always picked a ship that had a designated water area for children in swim diapers. This is the Quantum of the Seas with a very generous walk in beach area for the littlest cruisers. Next, if you want your child to participate in any of the organized children's activities, you also need to confirm that your ship has an area for toddlers and that they take care of children in diapers. A lot of cruise ships may have a kids club, but do not have a designated area for toddlers. Equally important, I recommend choosing a toddler friendly itinerary. To me, this is a cruise with ports of call that do not require long bus rides to the attractions. Ports that are easily walkable and stroller friendly. Cruises that stop at ports owned by the cruise line are really beneficial to be able to walk off the ship and have a safe, clean beach to spend the day. Also, be wary of cruises with lots of consecutive sea days because it's hard to entertain a toddler when the weather is like this. Check out my complete guide to toddler cruising, where I really dive into tips and hacks, and download my free printable packing lists for cruises with toddlers. See you at sea.